Hi guys, today we're going to be making some. I already started a little bit and it's starting to thicking up just a tiny bit. It's really actually starting to thicken up, Mama.
That's good.
And
You
then,
don't need the baking soda.
well, what if I do?
You don't.
Just in case, but if I do, we could use some. But I'm not going to add that. I'm not going to actually add no baking soda until I see if it's actually thickened up, guys. Because I don't want to make it super duper thick until it's not fluffy. It's like almost actually done. I'm going to add a lot this time. Not like too much because it makes it liquidy sometimes. Because I might slap a couple of times. See? When it starts getting off the side of stuff, it'll start. That's how you know it's almost done. I'm going to make another batch and then, what time does Nina get here?
She'll get here in
But-
about 3 hours. By the time when Dry comes to pick you up, that's when she'll be here.
And then that means I can't make time with her. That's sad, but maybe next time.
Are you on YouTube or just your camera?
YouTube.
Are you live?
Yeah, I'm about to make a video. I'm making a video. YouTube video.
Like, is it streaming now or do you have to post it?
I have to post it in a minute. And guys, it's so pink and fluffy and all that and stuff. But I always add the food coloring last. But I usually don't use food coloring, guys. I usually just use glitter and stuff. Or if we have pink shaving cream, I only use that.
I was about to say, like, don't the shaving cream give it color?
Yeah. But I'm probably going to put more color in it because it looks a little bit white. Oh, there we go. Starting to get off the sides.
I'll get your spoon out of it. Now use your hands.
Guys,
Is it still sticky?
a little bit, but it's coming together, see? Yeah. See, guys, it comes together if you have shaving. If you have shaving cream, it will start coming together and stuff. But if you just have no shaving cream and you don't have no, if you put your what's it called, food coloring first, it will like mess it up, I think. Cause I did that one time.
We didn't have shaving cream and we didn't have baking powder. I think that's why it didn't work.
But still, we didn't use baking powder this time.
We didn't use shaving cream last time either.
I know, but I said this time we didn't use baking powder.
Yeah.
See, guys, it's getting unsticky, but I might have to. You might have to pour some activator by hand to the slab. Okay. Okay, so that's a lot, but it might work. I don't like how Bonita makes slab because one time she makes slab, sometimes hers is like really, 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 really thick. Even though she tries to make it really, really fluffy, it's super duper thick. I will get the rest of it. It's looking so soft and stuff. At least that didn't have glue on it. Now, I'm about to add the food coloring in it. And then after that, I'm going to make one more batch. And I think that would be it.
Why don't you just mix them, like, take that and put it in half. And then just,
Because I wanted to, like, make another batch to do a swirl. But I don't want to, I want to add, because I like making slime.
make sure you're getting it in a bowl.
I am. It's still sticky a little bit.
Put your hands over the bowl.
Okay.
Now rub your hands together.
And do this because it activates it a little bit. Oh, it activated even more. And now, since it activated even more, the slime can get it off our fingers. See? It worked. Yeah. I want it. Okay, there. I'm about to go. We need to put something down for the food coloring.
Get that spoon off of it. Pick the slime up and put it in your hands. You want red and blue?
Yeah, sure.
What colors you doing that one?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Just pink. I'm going to do a swirl with both of those colors. I'm going to make another batch and do a swirl. start mixing. Is that, it don't really get on the floor, it just gets all over your hands. Like, this is a really pretty color. Like they don't do it right. You're not supposed to add blue to make a raspberry color. Guys, I'm almost done mixing it in. I'm not going to do it on the floor because it will get a mess. It's so pink and pretty. And my next batch is going to be a blue. I like this one.
You gonna leave it here?
Sure.
It's not really slime that you guys like. It's just the process of making it. Because once you make it, it's like y'all don't even mess with it no more.
I do. You don't. Mine is like super duper fluffy. This is the one I made last time. And it looked just like this. And now I'm going to make another batch. It's going to be really kind of little. Because I'm doing it in this one.
And you're going to put them together and make a swirl.
This big glue is my dad's item. But I'm not going to pour all of it. Because it's only a little spot for the one that I'm about to make. I'm just about to do something for a second, guys. It might take a while. I'm not doing that.
Take the lid off. Look, you got glue on the floor. Be careful.
Got glue in my hands, too. You want to shut it too tight. How do y'all shut that tight?
It's not tight. You're just weak.
Yeah, because my arms is weak. Because you know. And guys, if you like this video, comment down below. I might make more time to give away. That's enough. And next shaving cream. I don't use as much as Nina usually do. Now mix. It's a little pink, but then it'll start turning white. I'm making this one. I might make this one a little bit fluffier than that one. Just a little, for it'll be like two kinds of different sides, but I'm still making a swirl. I'm just gonna have to halfen it up. And okay, just do this up. Next item. Please don't get thick like last time I used that glue. It got thick. Can I put glitter and blue food color in this one and this one? We'll put glitter in this one.
I don't know what my glitter is.
So it's
I could find it,
starting to slime up like the other one, but it slimes up like really faster and becomes like get to chunkies a little bit like that. I'm gonna have to put this one on the lid. Okay. It's hard to get in my hands.
Ah!
Oh, it didn't stick. Phew. Ta-da! I got it down. See, it sticks to your hands like that, but it won't stick to the floor like that. I'm going to put this one in here so I can make it easier. See, it's white, guys, right now. I'm going to make it a light blue, though. It probably didn't stick because it got to the cord. That's slime. You know, this is all glue right there because I didn't finish mixing it up. Should I make two batches, Mama, or 3?
Just 2.
Okay.
Because if you use it all now, you won't have nothing else to do. You won't have no more. You'll have to buy more.
Mama, one day you need to go to like what's it called, Roses, I think. I think that's it. And there's the huge one. And not the medium one like that. It's like really huge. So guys, this one takes a little bit longer to thicken it up because I think this kind is like another kind of glue, but it's still elbows. And guys, make sure you don't use the magic pen one because it never works. It's probably a little too fluffy. But oh well. Mix, stir. It's a little bit fluffy. Okay. Start mixing it in with my hands. Because that glue is really a different kind of glue. And this has it on it a little bit. I'm going to need some activator. because I do need a lot. There we go. It's starting to slime up. Just mix it all in. So sticky. Stickier than the last one. Oh, it's like, now that's just super duper slippery on this one because when you add that much of that, oh, it's not sticky no more. Wow. But this is a kind of different. Now let's go get the blue food coloring. So guys, I'm gonna add blue, and I'm not gonna add the pink because I'm not making this one purple. Okay, guys, let's start mixing. Oh, it's so pretty, beautiful. Like, cause that it makes it. It's starting to. It's probably gonna make purple, guys, because of the pink, or it probably just not. It probably won't mix all the way in, and it'll do a swirl already with a little bit of pinkish whitish. Ooh, yep, it's mixing all the way in. Ooh, I like this. It's sky blue. Yeah, that's what they always do. I watch the videos where they always put the color in last. Like food coloring. It's so fluffy, guys. Now time for the swirl. Sit one right here. Sit the biggest one. Let's get the biggest one. Right here. And then when we mix these together, I think we're going to have to activate it. Okay. It looks like a unicorn. And just put that. It's trying to turn a little purple though, guys. But that's okay. Because it's going to look like a beautiful unicorn. See? Wow. You want me to mix the rest of that? Right there?
You might as well.
Yeah, because it's glue right there. It's like, I'm going to put a little bit right there. And then we're going to add a little bit of white into that swirl. See, sometimes shaving cream can activate it. Okay, Mama, if you have a little bit, you can't add that much. You want to know why? Because it makes it really duper stiff.
You need to take that and wrap and like move it around the bowl so that you can get all of it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Can you show it to Nina when she gets here? And tell her not to lose it or get it on the floor?
Now I'll put it in there so it won't mess up because I did put too much in there. Do you think? Yeah.
I might have to fluff it up a little bit.
Just go ahead and add it into that. Oh, you want to fluff it up before you add it into that?
Yeah, because it's a little stiff. It won't mix in with not stiff slime. I tried once to do that.
And it won't mix?
Yeah. And then I saw a video how to fix it. You just fluff it up. See? Okay, now I'm going to stick it in while I'm fluffing it up. And mix it all. And I might have to put some more colors in this. And make it purple.
I think it's pretty.
Me too. And then I'm going to start playing with it, guys. And it's like going to be really fluffy. I'm going to have to go mix it somewhere else. Oh, there we go. I'm about to show y'all, guys. I just have to finish mixing. Okay, here is the final product. It's a unicorn purple color. And you can see a little bit blue, but you can't see that much pink. There's no more pink. And this is a huge slime to me. But I bet y'all can make a huger kind. I'm going to have this right here. This one right here. There we go. Now.
You gotta clean up your mess.
Okay.
Wash your hands and stuff and then come back with paper towels and clean up stuff up on the floor.
Make sure you like this video, give it a huge subscribe and comment down below.